Hi, today I will let you know how you can save your electricity bills even more than 100%. For this, you have to just follow these simple steps to save your electricity bills forever. So let's start. Step number 1. You have to contact us at this number, or you can just send WhatsApp as well. Step number 2. You have to share your electricity bills, and after analyzing your electricity bill, we will send you the free code, which is step number 3. And after or accepting your quotation, step number 4 is we will install your system at your premises. And after installing the systems, you don't have to pay any bills. Electricity bills means you can save your savings for the rest of your future. So don't wait, let's start it from today and just call us and just follow the simple steps to save your electricity bills forever.